This is an interior room on deck 5 on Norwegian's Encore ship. This is an interior room, so there's no windows, there's no balcony. This is an interior room. This is going to give you the best value on the cruise. You walk in, you've got a small desk here on the left, the bed straight ahead. On those lights, there are USB charging outlets on those lights. It's USB-A charging. And in this corner there is a small closet. The closet space and storage is very small in this room. Small storage above there. There is a safe in there. This folds away to reveal the TV. The bathroom is good size. Light switches on the outside. The trash can is under the sink in a cabinet. Shower is good size. Large mirror above the desk area. This room actually has 4 beds. 2 beds will drop down out of the ceiling to sleep 4 people. It'd be very tight for 4 people, especially because there's not a lot of storage in the room. Now next to the desk here there is a hairdryer and a small stool. That stool has no storage in it, it's just for sitting. And on the other side of the desk there's a cabinet that opens up with 2 small shelves for additional storage area. The front door of the desk opens up to reveal a small refrigerator. Those items inside of the refrigerator you have to pay for if you consume them. We didn't take those out, so the refrigerator wasn't much help because we didn't really use it. And here's a closer look at the closet. You've got a few shelves here, a shelf above, and then you've got about 15 to 16 hangers. These 2 switches next to the door is how you communicate with your room steward. You can press the Do Not Disturb or Make Up Room, and it will indicate on the lighted panel outside of the room so your room steward will know what you need. To turn on the power to the room, you insert your card key here and you press the light button here. This also activates all of the climate control and all the outlets in the room. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.